Hi everyone. In today's video, we are talking about the PLCnext, a next generation automation platform. It runs on Linux system. That means you can combine traditional PLC language like logic with IT language like C++, C#, and Python, all running simultaneously on the exact same controller. It also has built-in support for OPC UA, MQTT, and HTTP. To program this platform, we use the PLCnext Engineer software. Let me show you exactly how to download and install the software right now. First, in the Google search, type PLCnext Engineer, download. Okay. Go to here, PLCnext Engineer Program Software. Go down. Go to download. Go to software. Then here is PLCnext Engineer. The new one is PLCnext Engineer 2026.3. Okay. We first download this one. Second, we should download simulation. We download simulation setup 1152. Okay. Just 1152 is no license. You can use free. Okay, I don't know to which version to install this software. First, PLCnext Engineer, double click. Request required. Okay, access. Yes. Okay, welcome the PLC Engineer 2026.3. Next. Yeah, access all the upgrade mode. Next. In here, he need an install LabCap. Okay, next. Install. Okay, that's it. Now we install simulation. Next. Okay, install this. That's it. Now we can try the software PLC Network Engineer. Okay, in here we can choose is a controller. In here, then we decide which controller you can use. Okay, in here we can use this controller. Okay, so this program is interface. Okay, program you can do program in here. Local is in here project. Okay, in here PLC contact. And IEC 61131. Okay, also here have HMI Viper service. Okay, you can create Viper. Okay, HMI Viper service. Okay, okay, here it has OPC-UA. That's it. Here is components. Okay, this all this. Today we just talk about how to download and install this software. Okay, thank you very much.